Welcome to Engine Explorer, and where machines meet madness. And today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping creations to ever roll. Out from Mercedes-Benz, this is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Luxury Motorhome. And yes, it costs more than most houses. But once you see what's inside, you'll know exactly why. Let's start with the exterior. This beast is built on a high-performance commercial chassis, powered by Mercedes's latest hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. It's whisper quiet, smooth on the highway, and despite its size, handles like a dream. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic elegance, matte chrome finishes, and deep black accents that give it a powerful futuristic presence. But the real magic? It's in the transformation. At the press of a button, the sides extend outward, turning this mobile fortress into a 1,200 square foot rolling smart home. There are two automated glass balconies, one on the side and another perched above the cab, perfect for sunrise coffee or sunset views. Step inside and you're immediately hit with ultra-modern luxury. Think marble floors, voice-controlled ambient lighting, handcrafted leather furniture, and a ceiling that mimics the night sky with customizable starlight LEDs. It's not just a camper, it's a moving penthouse. The living room is fitted with a 98-inch 8K OLED screen, surround sound system by Burmester, and retractable walls for privacy. Right next to it is a kitchen worthy of a celebrity chef, complete with a smart fridge, convection oven, induction cooktop, and even a built-in espresso machine that remembers your favorite brew. The bathroom? Oh, it's not just a bathroom, it's a full spa. Rainfall shower, heated marble floors, automatic self-cleaning toilet, and yes, a built-in scent diffuser to keep it feeling fresh every mile of the journey. Now the master bedroom. This is where the luxury really hits. A king-size bed with memory foam and massage functions, personal climate control, blackout electrochromic glass, and direct access to the balcony. You could literally live in this space full-time. And for those who need to stay connected, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome includes satellite Wi-Fi, a 5G booster, and a fully functional office pod with a fold-down desk, ultra-wide monitor, and privacy screens. Of course, all of this comes at a price. A big one. Starting at over $1.8 million, this motorhome isn't for weekend campers. It's for those who want to own the road in style and never compromise comfort for mobility. But Mercedes didn't just build a vehicle. They built a lifestyle statement, something that blends the freedom of the open road with the comforts of a 5-star hotel and the tech of a luxury smart home. So is it worth more than a house? Maybe. But once you step inside, you'll never want to go back to one. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite feature of this insane 2026 Mercedes Motorhome.